Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trisha Creativemind Creations, and today I'm going to be sharing you a collaboration that I'm in or a part of, that's hosted by Cee Alfred and my group at Crafty Manipulators on Facebook. And what we're doing is that every week we are making a certain craft specified by Cee, and we have to share who is our inspiration crafter, who we got the inspiration from. And my inspiration for this week is going to be Tiffany McGill. Her group is Coffee Cake and Craft on Facebook, and her YouTube channel is Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill here on YouTube. And I'm kind of like her. I'm a lazy crafter. I try to do something quick and simple, and so this is where I got this inspiration from her. I mean, it's not anything elaborate, but it is pretty. She always say how she can do something simple and it turns out marvelous. So this week, the first week we had to do gift bags or boxes, and I did all gift bags. Now I got these bags, the ones I'm using for this first part of the collaboration, and a swap. I can't remember who, so if y'all see this video, I'm sorry who I got it from, but I did get these bags in a swap, or it was a swap or something. And so I used we had to make 4 either bags or boxes or a combination of both. I just did all bags. And what we had to do is we had to make the bags like we're I think like goodie bags that we would use to put stuff in a swap. We had to make 4 of them. And the thing is that we do not assemble the bags. We make them as a kit, kind of like. So I'm going to have to show you how to put the bags together. So at the end of the collaboration, we're going to have partners, and the partner will know how to assemble the bags, or it's pretty simple. It's self-explanatory with my bags. So but anyway, we had to show how the bags are supposed to be assembled when they're going to be used, and then we had to package them nicely. So I don't know if we're going to be doing this right, but I'm going to show you how, with the pieces in the kit that I got together for my bags, how you would put it, how my partner will put them together when she's ready, use them. And it could be like if you're in a group swap and you can use all 4 bags, or if it's just like in a swap you just want to use 1 bag, whatever. So anyway, these are the bags that I used, and they are like a turquoise aqua color, I don't know, and they have this gold embossed emblem on the front, and it's in French. It's Merci beaucoup, je t'aime, I can't see that last word, Bill, and it's some other French at the bottom, which I can't read because it's kind of tiny, and I'm not good with French anyway. I never took French, because I just know a few words. But anyway, so these are the bags that I'm using, and this is the bag. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so these bags came in a pack of 18, I think. Let me see. 16. And they had this color and it had pink. And I decided to use this color. And so this is the bags that I'm using. And then I'm going to add 4 gold doilies. And I'm going to add 4 clothespins that I had already assembled. Oh, now this part I did put together. I don't want my partner, when they get this, they had to go through all this part. So I did go ahead and make the little clothespin. How these, I've got hiccups. How these are supposed to be assembled. And see, these is just all the parts that come with it. And I got 4 of these too. Okay, I didn't paint the the paper clip, the clothespins, because they're gonna be, you're not gonna be seeing it that much anyway. Okay, but anyway, again, I'm not gonna fold it all the way, but I'm gonna show you how this is supposed to be assembled. So I'm gonna get one of these and put the other one to the side. And so this is the bags. Okay, so of course you're going to fill the bags, and you're going to fold it on the perforated line here, and then we're going to fold the doily in half, and you're just simply going to, I know there's a decorative edge on this side, but I want to dress it up even more, and so we're going to put that there, and then to close it, I'm just going to put that there, and there you go. And that's what Tiffany would call simple yet gorgeous, or whatever word she uses. But this is going to be my 4 bags, so I'm going to be for this part of the collaboration. Alright, so and now we have to package these. I'm going to go ahead and fold the rest of these in half, just, you know, give them that pre-folded line so that they don't have to do it. I mean, it's not that hard, or hard at all really, but you know, just go ahead and get that part away so they won't have to do that. Okay, so there's that. And now I'm going to package them, and I already pre-made my my little topper that I'm going to put on the on the packaging. And all I did was I got some of my cardstock, and I embossed it, and then I put some gold rip across there, and I made a small tool bow. Yeah, I had to figure out how to make that bow, because I've gotten to a few of those bows and swaps, and I've asked for tutorials, and nobody wanted to do. Well, I did one, so I had to go and look up a couple on YouTube and figure it out myself. So I didn't do it exactly the way I found them in the tutorials that I did. I improvised. So now I'm going to package these up. I'm going to put these in here. This plastic bag is a little bit bigger than my bag, so it's not going to make a difference. It's going to be okay. I'm going to put those in, and then I'm going to take all of my clothespins, and I'm just going to put them. I thought I put them in the front, but I'm going to put them in the back, but I'm going to put them in the front. And I'm just going to put these in here. I'm going to line these up in here so you can see everything on the front of the package that's in the kit for these bags. Okay, just going to go like that. I'm going to move that over, and then I'm going to just get my ATG gun. I'm just going to put one little line across there, and I'm going to get this centered. I'm going to see if I can line this up. Let's see. Wait a minute. Make sure this bag is flat, because it's a little bit puffy because of the contents. So I'm going to make sure that it's not puckering when I put my topper on. And I'm going to see if I can line it up the best I can. There you go. And I'm going to fold it over. And there is my packaging for that. You know what? I think I need to come down a little bit with that. I'm going to put some right here. There we go. Better. Alright, so this is my packaging for my bag kit. Or, I forgot what this is called. It'll be in the description. What this is supposed to be for the first collaboration. This is going to go on for 6 weeks, so y'all stay tuned for the next 5 weeks. We're going to make something different every week, and then again at the end of the week we get partners, and we're going to be swapping these. So y'all stay tuned and look up for the other collaborators that's going to be joining in on this collaboration for the next 5 weeks. The other videos or YouTube channels is listed below, so y'all check them out, and you all have a crafty day. Bye.